What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechBit Solutions. Hope you guys are all having an amazing Wednesday. Today is a good day, just like it's been a good week. I'm up a little bit over $2,400. I think $2,420 altogether with my 3 days of trading this week so far. So I've already hit my goal. My goal is usually like $2,000 to $2,500 on a weekly basis, and we already hit that 3 days in, and I'm going to show you guys my trade, I'm going to show you guys my profits, but most importantly, I'm going to show you why it is that I see value in the stock and ETFs that I've been trading. We had an absolute amazing 1 hour call today with the Learn Plan Profit group. That's my private group. That's the first link in the description. But most importantly, if you've ever wanted to get yourself invested with surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals, be sure to click that third link in the description. That's our free networking group. We have over 90,000 members there. We have over 130. I think we have about 133,000 subscribers now. So thank you guys again for everything that is that you guys do. Whenever you guys are ready, we have my private group, so if you want to work with me on a daily basis, we'd love to have you, but if not, I totally understand. We have that free group as well. And let's get straight to it. It's been an amazing, I can't complain about this morning. As you guys can imagine, I sold a little bit too early. I'm going to show you guys, where am I? I have no idea where I went. Oh, what the heck? Oh no, guys, I'm gone. This is no good. We're gonna have to continue like this. I'm gonna have to figure this out later. Oh my goodness, I am a dork. All right, well, as long as you guys can see my screen, let me know if you guys can see my screen. But right now, I took a position on JDST. And the funny thing about this was there's a one-day swing trade. Let me show you guys my entry point and exit point. This is a screenshot that I shared on Instagram. If you guys want to check it out, my link is down below if you guys want to follow me on Instagram. Okay, Google, pause. Sorry about that. So this talks about my entry point and exit point. So you guys can see that I got filled yesterday at around 10:29 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. And that was at an average price of $52.95. If you guys do the math, I sold the remaining 400 shares at around $55.50 today. $55.50. That's right here. It gapped up another 3%, or about 3%. Guys, but it's not about that. I was on the voice call with the Learn Plan Profit group, and within the first 8 minutes of the market open and me being able to sell at the price point that I did, I was able to cover a total, so I'll show you guys right here. It says $808 profit on the day, but that's not taking into consideration the profits that I made yesterday, right, on that one-day swing trade. So altogether, on that position for a one-day swing trade and being able to cover profits right away 8 minutes after the market opened, it was $1,020 flat. I'm really bummed that you guys can't see me, gee willikers. Yeah, so you can see that some people are saying that like I'm a ghost, and I'm a ghost. I think they're saying that because they can't see me. But I also uploaded a video yesterday. I'm not too sure if all of you guys were able to tune in. Let's see if it could actually pop up right now. So let's pull up my YouTube. Boom, 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 boom. There, we can see right here. So I uploaded this video like 8 hours ago. And I couldn't sleep. I had like still a couple of things that I had to do, and I responded to quite a bit of messages. And I would encourage you to watch this video because I break down why it is that I saw value in JDST and why it was that I saw the upward, why I took that one-day swing trade position. Now we're hitting right around that SMA indicator, so I can see why it's going to be pulling back now. And also looking at /GC, which is the overall future itself, it's looking like it might bounce at that potential support. So let's take that into consideration on why it might be a good idea to cover profits. Again, one of the biggest things that I want to encourage anyone to do is when you're green, to cover profits. We have I want to say that we have one of the largest networking groups out there, one of the largest free networking groups out there of over 90,000 members. And those that are part of Learn Plan Profit, I want to say with a couple thousand members we have as a part of our group, I think we have one of the highest success rates. And it's because we do it on a consistent basis and people actually understand what it is that they are trading. Now, what is it that I took a position on next, and why is it that I saw value in it? Let's go ahead and move on over. This is, again, my call out. This is what I see value in and not what you should trade. You should never trade based on anyone else's opinion. You should only invest in what you understand and what makes sense to you. So the reason that I took a position on GUSH was actually for an intraday play. As you can see, it's not going very well. I took a position originally, when was it? Around 274, and then I took another position at around 225. And my average is right around there, but it's showing signs of a descending pattern. The reason that I wanted to take a position was because of this 180-day chart, and you can see this ascending upward staircase pattern. Can you guys see that? Do you guys see what I'm seeing? Boom, boom, boom. And then it tends to gap up. One thing that I did not wait for was the confirmation, and that was why I took a day trade position. I saw the potential that it had because of this huge push that it saw. I got rejected by $23. It pulled back, and I was just like, okay, I can get in on that dip buy and stuff like that. Nope, it continued to descend, but it's recovering. The reason that I feel comfortable with the trade itself is because I understand the patterns. I mean, I'm down quite a bit right now on this specific trade, but I have not sold, right? And I have not taken still year to date. I have not closed one red trade, right? I've been staying very consistent. It's because I believe that I'm only trading patterns that I understand. And patterns are either showing signs of an ascending uptrend pattern. So even if I'm down, it's only a matter of time for them to recover. Or I'm trading very horizontal patterns, which is something that we've been covering within the Learn Plan Profit group and the overall Techbud Solutions community as well. I do want to give a shout out to all those that have held back from investing in Tesla. The reason why is because you guys are definitely doing the right thing. It continues to get rejected by that SMA, that EMA indicator, and it's continuing to show signs of a downward pattern. Same thing with Twitter, if I'm not mistaken. Continuous downward trend. Ford itself got rejected by the $11 price point today. Oracle is still actively trending down. If this thing wants to load, yeah, still actively trending down. There we go. Still actively trending down. And you guys today is still having somewhat of a red day. It did end up trying to stay green. It started showing signs of an uptrend pattern. I didn't see much value in you guys itself because I looked at, there's something that we looked at. Very simple pattern. Look at natural gas. Well, look, it's kind of changing the pattern now. It's trending above the middle VWAP. But how do we know when something is actively trending down? Again, remember this. When something is actively trending down, especially intraday, one thing that you can see is that it trades in between the middle VWAP and the bottom VWAP. JDST, gee willikers. So I definitely missed that on this. There's no question about this, or no question about that. /GC just continues to sell off, and it's a pattern that we saw. And it's obviously, again, it's trading in between the middle VWAP and the bottom VWAP, and it's being rejected by the SMA indicator. If you guys don't know how to use the VWAP indicator, I have a video in the Learn Plan Profit lesson library showcasing exactly how it is that I utilize it to both swing trade and day trade. And again, that's the first link down in the description. And also, there's a couple videos on YouTube that you can check out as well. But congrats to all those that have been holding JNUG itself, and because of its continuous uptrend, I mean, I'm super happy for you. I hope that you guys, continue to make more money, but also be considerate about the potential reversal that it might be showing. It's not a bad idea to cover profits. You cover profits wherever it is that you see some form of resistance. I'm just talking here about, where it is that I would have covered profits and stuff like that. But let's see what people are saying. My goodness. Why? Let's see. Maybe if I remove it. Yes. Video capture. Boom. We're back. Can you guys see me? There we go. I am horrible. I'm so sorry. The worst live streamer ever. I'll take the full. I'll take that certificate. I 100% know that I'm not the best live streamer. Like, I 100% know that. So, okay. Looks like we're good. Let's see. Okay, so Raphael, I really do appreciate the feedback, so I'm trying to read the feedback that we're getting right now. So it says, Raphael is saying, I enjoy the Discord, so I think he's talking about the free Discord because I'm the only one that manages the paid one for the people that are part of the course. It says, but guys in charge only allow their trading style and ban you if you don't agree with them. Also, trash your work? What? Okay, so I don't really understand that last statement. I don't know if you're trying to be like passive aggressive, but first of all, we have over 90,000 members, right? The admins that we have as a part of the free Techbud Solutions community do not detect anything that is that you want to see. Like, we're open to any type of style of trading. We have different subgroups, and we make sure that if you're having a certain conversation that it's within that subgroup. But if you've been having a bad experience, I mean, there's Rafaela, I disagree with you. I've never seen any of that. I mean, Jonathan, I agree. I'm sorry, Rafael, if you've had that experience. I've never banned anyone because they don't agree to my trading style. I've made numerous videos talking about that's why I created this TechBot Solutions community, so we can all share our own unique trading styles because we all see value in different ways. So I don't really know where it is that you're coming from. If you just had a bad experience with maybe one of our admins, I wish you the best. If you're banned, then I'm sorry. But you know, there's a bunch of information out there, so you don't have to be part of our group. Obviously, you have a negative connotation with our group, and I 100% can respect that. Just if you're going to say something, I just want to make sure that it's credible, and unfortunately, no, it's not. So Rafael wants to be spoon-fed. No, it's not even that. Like, let's leave him alone. I just want to make sure that I answered his question and stuff like that. So we are good. So guys, I am pretty much done for the day. I'm up over $1,000, so that is my daily goal, 1,020 to be exact, and that is pretty much it. I have my alert set for my GUSH position. If there's like a complete break of pattern right now, we're holding above $22. As long as we hold above 21.50, I am completely okay because that still validates that ascending uptrend pattern. So stagnant day in the market overall. I agree. There's a lot of, you know, if you went into some positions intraday, there's a lot of ETFs or stocks that have gapped up or either gapped down. But other than that, there's not a lot of movement. There's a lot of consolidation that's going on right now. And I 100% you know, understand that if you guys don't want to take a position, that's one of the best things that you guys can do. If you don't see value in something and are struggling to identify potential in one of your trades, take a step back, don't take a position, and enjoy the day, right? It's a beautiful day. It's you know, we're going to have more opportunity this upcoming week, and just don't stress yourself out. There's no reason to. So I already hit my weekly goal. I'm going to make sure that I don't, you know, go backwards and end up experiencing like red days or anything like that. I am currently red on one position, but I see a lot of value in it when it comes down to a swing trade, and I'd love to follow up with it and show you guys if I end up either closing the red or closing in the green. And that's really just it. And that's with my GUSH position. So I'm pretty transparent with where it is that I got in. And I just want to make sure that you guys know and stay up to date with my overall position. So thank you guys again so much for your time. I hope that you guys all have a beautiful, Wednesday. Someone laughed at my comment yesterday because I was like, hope you guys all have a beautiful Tuesday. Guys, it's so amazing. Don't you guys think that it's a blessing that we get to make money out of investing money? I think that's an amazing thing, but it's understanding how to do that when you can actually be very effective. So I would love to be a part of your success. Again, all the links are down below. Our first link is for our private group. Invest 30 seconds. Check it out. I think there's a promo going on for like the next like 24 hours or something like that. Click the link down below and see if you can get a discount and to see if you would even like to be a part of it. Based on the feedback that we've received, there's a couple reviews for the Learn, Plan, Profit course online. Feel free to check it out. We have the first link. It explains everything that's included and how you can work with me and speak to me on a daily basis. Also, our free group, the third link in the description, and then be sure to, if you can, follow me on Instagram. The link is down below, and I kind of showcase like my day. We're checking out a couple properties yesterday, and I'm super excited to be purchasing another house since I just sold one of my condos. I'm going to be keeping this house. I'm going to be renting it out, and then the house next door that I have, I'm going to be selling that one within the next couple of months. So it is an amazing day, and let's make sure that we keep that way. Hope you guys continue working hard, continue following your dreams. Let your passion be what drives your success. Yes, I agree. Charts lagging in TD Ameritrade. Yes, I agree. Okay, Google, play. Look at this hair. Do you guys see this? Crazy, huh? Yeah.
Look at this hair. Do you see this? But it either isn't available or can't be played right now.
All right, guys. Okay, Google, play Gucci Gang.
Gucci Gang by Lil Pump. Sure. Playing on Spotify.
Yeah, so Alex is saying, watch out for false Ricky profiles. Yes, guys, so please watch out for fake comments on YouTube, on Instagram. Guys, I never ask you. The only thing that I offer that's like paid is my course, and that is plugged in the description. I don't reach out to you. I don't trade binary options. I don't trade Forex. There's like a bunch of fake accounts trying to manage your account. I don't trade for anyone. I never invest other people's money, nothing like that. Please understand that. And if you guys can share that with your friends, then that would be great. Because if you ever get approached by someone like that, please feel free to contact me and my team. You guys can reach out to us at info@learnplanprofit.com, and I would love to assist. I mean, I'd be 100% willing to like file complete charges against whoever it is if you can identify who it is that they are, because that is not safe, and that's not fair for people to get their money stolen, for people that work so hard. So hope you guys all have an amazing Wednesday. Take it easy. Not too sure if you guys could hear. Okay, Google, 100% volume.
Bitch, your breath smell like some cigarettes. Rather fuck a bitch from the project.
Sorry. Hope you guys all have an amazing Wednesday. Take it easy, team.